Hello, this is Matt Bush, one of the creators of Easy Magic Video, the world's first and only way to make videos with actual spokespersons where you control what they say line by line. I'll be your guide today as we take a closer look at how to use our software. First, I want to explain how all this works. You see, our software is loaded with literally thousands of clips featuring spokespersons saying things one sentence at a time. Using our software is as easy as scrolling through all of the script options and choosing what you want. As you select each line, the software builds them into complete script. When you're done, you simply read over everything, make sure it's to your liking, and click render. That's it. Here, let's go through the creation of an actual video. We start by choosing a spokesperson. The software includes 5 different choices. We feature professional male and female spokespersons and even offer someone with a British accent. And of course, we have the greatest spokesperson of them all, Todd. You can see that I can now build my video by simply selecting the lines that Todd will say. It's as easy as scrolling through and just clicking. Let's start the video by having a fantastic introduction. Next, let's add something to make sure that they stick around for the whole video. In order to make sure our video transitions well, it's important to have different versions of each clip. Whenever we choose a line, we also need to select how we want it to be presented. Because we want to make sure that your video looks as amazing as possible, we suggest that you switch between viewpoints to really create something truly compelling. Each clip can either be the spokesperson right in the middle, the spokesperson zoomed in, the spokesperson to the left with text on the right matching what they say, or just text on the screen. You can see that we have so many options on what our spokespersons will say. We even have hundreds and hundreds of options for you to create videos that you can sell to local businesses, like locksmiths and real estate agents. Once my script is set, I can easily reorder the lines, delete them, or add new ones. Here, I'll end with a fantastic closing. I can also add a background behind my spokesperson. Our software comes with many choices, and you can also add your own. You can even add your own video backgrounds if you want. I can also add images to a specific clip if I want. This is very useful if I want to create more of a contrast between clips. I can also add a musical soundtrack as well. I can select one from the included library or add my own. And of course, I can also make a special closing to the video where I can type in the text that I want to appear. I can also add my own intro and or outro clips to the beginning and or end of the video, if you have software that specializes in those. Once I save my template, it's in the system and I can go back and edit it later, use it to create a different template, and so forth. This is really helpful since you don't have to redo your project once you've created it. Once I have everything to my liking, I just click render and the system goes to work. Remember, because this is cloud-based, there's nothing to install. We create the video on our servers. In just a few minutes, my video is complete and I can download it. In the members area, we show you how you can upload it to YouTube, Facebook, and so forth. And that's it. Easy Magic Video allows you to create your own professional spokesperson videos, where you truly control what the spokesperson says. Paying to have a spokesperson is so expensive, and this is like having several on standby just for you, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And with the included over 2,000 clips, you literally have thousands of options. You can learn more about Easy Magic Video below this video. Thank you for watching.